Hello students, do you know what is germination? No. So I am going to tell you what is germination. Germination explain करने से पहले मैं आपको सीड की स्ट्रक्चर बताऊंगी. You can see this. There are so many seeds. I have made sprouts of it. That is, these are germinated seeds. You can see if I remove this coating of this cover of this seed, you can see, open it, you can see this part of the seed. In the same way, I can show you this also. Remove the cover. It's like this. And open it like this. You can see these two parts are called the cotyledons. I have drawn this seed here and different parts I want to show you. These are the two cotyledons I have written here, and when the seed germinate, this type of structure is formed. You can see this type of structure. It's so clear. This type of structure is formed. I have shown you this not grown one. This structure is small, so it's inside like these seeds. And when it grows in soil, what happens? Because seed is grown in the soil, that is called seed germination. I have drawn the diagram here. How it happens, let me explain. Germination is the process by which a baby plant or seedling grows from a seed in the presence of water, air and warmth. This is seedling or baby plant. This has grown from the seed, and it needs water, air and warmth. I have provided these three things to the seed. I have soaked in water, then kept in cloth, wrapped in cloth and kept wet. That means water supplied, and because it was in cloths, so air is supplied, and covered with cloth. That means it also given warmth. Heat is given to the seed by wrapping it properly. Now what happens? The seed grows, seed germinates. That means there are three conditions necessary to grow a seed. Which are these conditions? Water, air and warmth. The baby root grows down into the soil. This is the baby root. You can see this is the baby root and this is the baby shoot. Baby root is going down and baby shoot is going up. This is baby root and this is baby shoot. You can see here also. This seed is grown in the soil. When it grows, this portion which is shown here, this is going down, and at the third stage here it is shown the baby shoot is going up and baby root is going down. In the same way, you can see this baby root gives rise to root structures, and when it grows it becomes this. So first step is seed grows into baby root and baby shoot and grows and then into the proper plant. But we will see all the seeds grow into a plant or not. If any one of the condition is missing, the seed will not germinate. That means if water is not there, air is not there, or warmth is not there, the seed will not grow. Some seeds are not healthy and cannot grow. Some seeds do not get favorable conditions. दैट मीन्स या तो बहुत सर्दी होगी या बहुत गर्मी होगी और वो भी नहीं ग्रो कर सकते इनटू अडल्ट प्लांट्स. मैनी सीड्स गेट डिस्ट्रॉयड बाय रेन, हीट और आर ईटन बाय द एनिमल्स लाइक माइस एंड बर्ड्स. अगर उनको कोई खा गया, बर्ड्स खा गए या माइस ने खा लिया, तो वो भी सीड्स नहीं ग्रो होंगे. इफ सीड्स आर हेल्दी, दे ग्रो very well and they become a plant. This is the process by which a seed grows into a plant. If you like this video, please comment and share it, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.